3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Hamlet, or 9 miles northwest of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail and heavy rainfall. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamlet, Wagram, Gibson, Camp Mickle, Laurel Hill and Sandy Hills Game Land. The following is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Scotland. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 161, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Darlington and Marlborough. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of north. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has warning for Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, south central Hope County in central North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hamlet to near Sherall, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rayford, Maxton, Wagram, Gibson, East Laurinburg, Laurel Hill and Beaumont. The following is a special weather statement.
I was not able to catch the other severe thunderstorm warning, but this one I caught.
Richmond and Hope counties through 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Which one is it?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, south central Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Rayford to near Laurinburg to near Bennettsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Lillington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Aberdeen, Maxton, and Godwin.
That's crazy, bro. That's my fourth one.
Your thunderstorm warning remains in effect. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Santee River near Jamestown. When? From late tonight until further notice. Impact:
got a flood warning.
At 12.0 feet, several dirt blocking roads are impassable. Additional details, at 7:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 8.5.
Crap.
The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Sunday morning and continue rising to 12.9 feet early Tuesday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Here are the 8 p.m. observations.
Yep, I knew I'd get something today.